Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install new bonnet lifter for my Hyundai i30 Performance, because I'm truly sick and tired of this manual thing here. So I actually bought an original, not the original, but specifically made kit for my car, for Hyundai i30 PDE generation, that should be possible to be installed in home conditions. I already prepared a set of tools that we're gonna need for installation. It's pretty much very easy. We're gonna need a ratchet spanner size 10 and 12 and Allen key size 6. But before we get into the installation of the bonnet itself, it's necessary that we're gonna remove the foam rails on the both sides. Although we could cut a hole into the foam, but for aesthetic and practical purposes we're gonna remove the whole part so that you'll be able to reinstall the parts in the case of assembly into the original state, or in worst case scenario you could cause cutting your water hose for windshield wipers. At start, only one side needs to be installed. In this case it's the driver's side, where the mount is attached first to the bonnet side, right there, and then the car's body. Upon completion we mirror the process on the passenger side, which leaves the bonnet in its original position and it's aligned with the car's chassis.
Silky beat.
The way how it works is that you're actually getting a single piece of this screw, this locking screw. We are basically aligning this lower hole to our secure key, and we are screwing in back inside the screw we just unscrewed. So the worst thing that could happen to me is that my securing screw just fell between the front bumper and the car chassis. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really hard to focus. Just bear with me. You can, just like that, see, you can push the plastic cover and get the screw through the hole. So first thing first, I'm going to install the passenger side beforehand with the attachment for the chassis.